Hello students, this is part 3 of lesson number 15, Statistics. In the previous two videos, we have learnt how to find average of data. You all can recall the formula to find average is sum of values of all observations upon total number of observations in the given data. We have also learnt how to give tally marks for the given numeric value. We have seen how to get numeric value from the tally marks. Also, we have seen one example of making a frequency distribution table. In this video, we are going to practice more examples of frequency distribution table. Let us see one example of frequency distribution table. A dice is tossed 50 times. The outcome of each toss is noted. Draw the frequency distribution table of the data. Students, you all know this is a die. This die is tossed this way 50 times. This die is tossed this way 50 times and the outcome, that is the value that comes on the top face, this is called as outcome. This is noted here. So these are the 50 records. Let us once confirm it quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. 10 5s are 50. So these are the 50 outcomes of the tossed dice. You have to make frequency distribution table from the given data. Here is the format of frequency distribution table. The table contains the outcome, then the tally marks and then the frequency. And at last we take total of the frequencies. Let us one by one calculate the outcomes. First I will begin with outcome 1, and so let us count how many ones are there in the given data and give the tally marks. When you move in the data, you have to move sequentially. Either you move column wise this way or you move row wise. I prefer moving column wise. I am finding for outcome 1. So if I move in this column, I do not find 1. Second column also there is no 1. Yes. First one I have found out. Give tally mark for that. Then 2, 3. You are only looking for the outcome 1, 4, then 5. Fifth tally mark, as you all know, we give it a diagonal line. And see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have already given 5 and then this is 6. Let us find out for number 2. Tally marks for the outcome 2. My first 2, 2, 3, fourth 2, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 6, 7 and 8. Similarly, I have to give tally marks for the outcome 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. Then there are no 3's in the last column. Now let us give tally mark for the outcome 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and see this is remain. So there are 7 fourths. Now 5 and 6 are remaining. I will give tally marks for 5 and 6. Let us first count how many 5's are there in the given data. See, this is my data. And 5's I am counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I am giving for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Remaining I will count. See, I was here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This column. Then 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Another set of 5 I am writing. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Still my data, few values are remaining. I was here. 11, 12 and 13. So these 3 loose lines I have to give here. 1, 2 and 3. Now quickly let us count for 6. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, I am giving lines for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Going back to data. This 6 and 7. Confirm. Yes. So here is my tally marks table. 6 and 7. These 2 lines. Now we have to calculate frequency of the given data with the help of the tally marks. So let us one by one calculate the frequency. So here for number 1 it is 5 and 1. So it is 6. For number 2 it is 5 and these 3 loose marks. So it is 5 and 3 is 8. This is 5 and 4 is 9. Here 5 and 2 is 7. 5, 5, 10 and 3 it is 13. And it is 5 and 2 again it is 7. You have to find out total of the frequencies, and the total of the frequencies is 13 plus 7 20, and the total of these numbers 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 7 is 30. 30 and 20 it gives me 50. The total of the frequencies, it must match the total records given in the data. So there are 50 records, 50 times the dice is tossed. There are 50 records and the total of the frequency is 50. Thus, we have done with the frequency distribution table for the given data.